Car repair and maintenance can be stressful, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be. The Openbay app makes it easy to care for your car in 3 simple steps. First, tell us what services you need or describe your symptoms to request a diagnosis. Openbay connects you with trustworthy shops in your area. Second, compare estimates from top-rated local repair shops in the Openbay network. Sort by distance, customer reviews, and price. All estimates include parts, labor rate, and taxes. Select your shop by what means the most to you, all from your device. Third, schedule an appointment. Select the date and time that fits best into your schedule. All services are backed by the Openbay Peace of Mind Guarantee. Openbay makes auto repair simple. You don't have to be a car expert to be sure you're getting quality service at your next automotive appointment. All you need is Openbay. We know cars, so you don't have to.